you're going to try to do any summer squirrel hunting, there's a few things you're going to need to carry with you to make it easier on yourself. I've done this with just a knife before. It can be done, but when you've got especially a lot of squirrels, we don't have a lot today, but when you have a lot of them to deal with, you want to make it as easy on yourself as possible. The first thing you're going to need is a good sharp knife, something that you can do part of the skinning with. I also like to carry a gambrel with me when I'm hunting in the summer, or anytime when I'm hunting squirrels, so I can actually take the squirrel, slide his head in here. Some kind of a small game carrier is nice to have. That way I don't have to throw them into my backpack and make a mess in my backpack. The next thing you're going to need is some sort of Ziploc bag to put your meat in. I also like to carry some rubber gloves because squirrels have a little bit of a smell to them, and it's just not real good. It's not real easy to get the smell off of your hands. If you know how to get squirrel smell off of your hands well, leave a comment, because I really appreciate knowing that. And then also, last but not least, what I like to have is a set of either kitchen shears or game shears.